Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. For today, I wanted to share with you a very simple way of making Easter treats for friends. Actually, this idea, I was able to see it in Instagram, and she did an Easter basket using a sandwich brown bag. Okay, so these are sandwich bags, and it's in a brown paper. So that's what I'm going to do today. And to show you, and the materials that I need is a sandwich bag, brown, your pattern paper to use to cut the bunny ears. You need some shredded Easter paper. You need some any kind of tie to make your ribbon. And this one, I got it from the Dollar Tree, Easter eggs. That's the purpose of that, is to put your candies on it. And you need some markers, a black and pink. And you need a pencil also, and some goodies. So these are the things that I'm going to place in the Easter treat bag. I got this at Dollar Tree. They're done $1 each. I got this in Walmart, and it comes in 5 pieces, and it's like $3.48, I believe. And this is how it looks like. See? It's a Oreo cream-filled candy with cookie pieces. And of course, I got this one from Walmart. It's a Lindor, and it's 78 cents for that. And this is also from Walmart, which is $1 each also. So these are the goodies that I'm gonna put inside the treat bag. And I'm going to use this to put the candies on. So let me get started. Let me show you how to make a Easter treat bag using sandwich bags. A brown paper sandwich bag. Okay, what you're going to do is, first, you're going to fold this one. You're going to fold your, well, maybe here on this side, because this is where you're going to print your Easter eyes and nose. So just fold this one and get a piece of paper and just try to measure it until where you wanted your bag to stand. Okay, so this is what I did earlier. All you need to do is just trace this one over. Use a so we'll get the size of this. This is where I wanted it to be, in that middle. So I'm just gonna cut this one over here, because this is where I wanted to have the bunny ears, and this is my bag from here to here where I put my goodies. It depends on you. The size really varies. All you have to do is just to measure your sandwich. This is a I think this is a medium sandwich bag. Okay, so a paper sandwich one. So just cut this one straight. Okay, so that's gonna be your measurement for your sandwich bag. Okay, until here. So what I did here is, all you have to do is get, if you have a protractor, that would be fine. But if you don't have, you can just cut it by your own hands. So just do it this way. Okay, I hope you're seeing it, guys. There, let me just move it a little. Then just do it this way, and then from there you're just gonna lay it that way. Okay, And then you're just gonna cut this one. This is going to be your pattern on how to use it as your bunny ears in the sandwich paper bag. Okay, and then just cut it that way. Okay, until the tip there. So this is what you're gonna trace. You're gonna trace this here like this way. See? Fold it that way. And then trace it here. There. And once it's traced, so this is what I use for my bunny ears. So I'm gonna trace it now over here. This is a very simple treat bag. I wanted to make a few for my co-workers this Easter. So once it's traced this way, you're just gonna have to cut it. Okay? And then cut it this way. There. So that is how it's gonna look like now. Okay, your treat bag is gonna look this way. Okay, so maybe we can just stretch that a little. Okay, open it up. Let's set this aside. So this is your, let me just put this everything aside so that we'll have a clean table. Okay, so this is how your bunny paper bag looks like. So after this, you're gonna get, if you have a stamp pad with that will serve as the eye, you can just, you know, have one or not. If you have, if it depends on you on what design you would like on your bag. So this one is, I'm just gonna use this one. Stamp it here, stamp the eye on the middle, stamp another one here, there, just that way. And if it's not really, it doesn't, just color it again with a black marker to make your eyes solid. At least you have a guide to color the eye, and it's gonna be a circle. Just color it that way. Okay, and once that's done, and now you for the eyelashes, just make an eyelash going this way. There, and make an eyelash going that way. Okay, that will serve as an eyelash already. It doesn't need to be perfect, you know, it's because it's just a simple treat bag, but it's gonna look nice. And then you make your bunny nose that way, and then just color it with your marker. There. It depends on you, whatever design you would like. There. Bunny nose there. And then, now you can do the whiskers. Those is the whiskers. Just as simple as that. I just wanted it to be that way. And then after this one, you're gonna open up your treat bag. There. So see, that's your bunny now. And then in your treat bag, you're gonna put your shredded Easter shredded papers, Easter shred. Just put them there. There, see, and then set that aside for a moment. And then what you're gonna do is get your eggs Easter eggs. Here's some shred more. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. Easter egg shred there. And I'm gonna get my candies. I'm gonna get one Oreo. I think I have one here that is out. And I'm gonna open the egg and place one there and then close it. And that's gonna be one of the treats inside, and then just drop it there, okay? And then we're gonna get this one, place it in here, and it fits in this small Easter egg that you can find in the Dollar Tree, okay? And then put another egg there, so you got 2 eggs now. And then I got another one here, and I have this one, and put that there, and it is so fun for someone to receive this, and they would know that there are some goodies inside the eggs. Okay, so I got 3 now. Now the last one I'm gonna put is this candy bar from Walmart, but the stick is so big. So what I want to do is just to cut this one with my cutter and just cut it a little smaller. There, that's cut. And then I will just put this also inside my treat bag. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be now. If you want, you can put more shred inside it so the recipient cannot see it. We'll get more shred. There, put more shred in here so it's sort of like it's covered. Okay, now once that's done, lay your bunny down flat, and now once everything is inside your bag, you're gonna tie this here and get a tie and tie it over here. So this is what I'm gonna use. Any kind of ribbon or tie that you like, you can use. This is what I'm gonna use to tie okay, let's just get an amount of that, and another here, the pink one. Whatever kind of ribbon you like, you can. Okay, just get a strand of it, cut it that way, okay, and lay it down here so it's not so difficult to tie. And then get your ribbon and tie it that way. I mean, get your string and just squeeze it there like that. So that's gonna be the bunny ears. Okay, if you want the bunny ears to be longer, you can adjust the sack, you know, a little lower. Actually, it really depends on you guys. So that's and then just make a ribbon there. So that's how the bunny ears gonna look like. And then get another string of ribbon, because this is the ribbon I opt to use. I have not used this, so I just want to make and use this one. And then just tie it this way, and then make a ribbon out of it. So there you are. There is your Easter treat. Just trim the excess strands of the ribbon there. And there's your bunny Easter treat bag. See? Well, this is just a short tutorial, and I hope you find something nice, a different way to do it. You can also put a smiley face on that, but I just wanted to leave it that way. So hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. And actually this is already, I already made 2 of them. One is here, I already made 2, and I have like 3 more to do. So until my next video, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.